Good day and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please support me by clicking on the subscription button and also on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to get the notification. On this channel today, I'll be teaching you how to use a bucket threader. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. The materials and tools you'll be needing for this tutorial: one is your elastic. I'm using a 1/4 inch elastic for this tutorial. You can use a loop as well. Now we have our bucket threader. You can see, now bringing it closer to the camera, it has a ring in between it, and this is what a bucket threader look like. And the next thing you'll be needing is your dress or your fabric that you want to pass the loop or elastic into. So you are going to fold it twice and create a channel. To create a channel, you are going to fold your fabric twice, like the way you see me doing in the video, and then you are going to take this to your sewing machine and stitch it down to create your channel. And after sewing, this is what your channel should look like on the outside and on the inside as well. Now you are going to pass the loop through this channel with your bucket threader. So this is what it is looking like right now. So this is how to use the bucket threader. Place your loop or your elastic in the middle of the bucket and push the pin. Once you push the pin forward, it's going to hold the elastic in such a way that it won't easily pull out when you are passing through the channel. You can see what we have now. And now you are going to pass the bucket through the channel that you've sewn. You pass until you get to the other end of the fabric. And this is how easy it is to use the bucket threader. This is one of the sewing essentials that all fashion designers should have. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumb up, like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day. Bye.